Hey guys, I've just got my new PC from PCCG, and what we're going to do is we're going to open it up and see what it's like. So I bought this from PCCG during the Black Friday sales and got it delivered. I worked out that it was actually cheaper to buy it pre-built with all the parts that I wanted than to buy the parts myself and build it myself. So straight off the bat, it's packaged quite well. I was a little bit nervous about transit, especially this time of the year. So that's cool. They gave me the motherboard with all the boxes and packaging instructions and power cables. They've included all the packaging for the graphics card. Stop. Before you power up your amazing new PC, please open the side panel and remove the internal packaging included to support your components during transit. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy your new computer as much as we enjoy building it for you. Please keep the box your system ships in as well as packaging material where possible. This will ensure safe transit of your system back to us in the unlikely event of any issues. That's pretty neat. What I'll do first is have a quick look at everything to make sure everything looks good in order. Doesn't seem to be any damages that I can see. Now what we'll do is we'll open it up. Very neat and tidy. But it's easier to do that these days with all the motherboards. Okay, so everything looks in order. One USB, one USB-C, audio, power, reset. It's these ones. I'm quite sure there might be lights. We'll put the side cover back on. So my old computer I just got before COVID, and I built that myself, and it's lasted a good time. However, just recently with some new games and some 4K editing, it's been slowing down a lot, so it's time for a new rig. Out with the old, and in with the new. Okay, moment of truth. Have to turn the power on. One of the things we want to do is we want to check that we paid for what we got, and we got 2 terabytes of data, our graphics card, our Ryzen 7 7800 X3D processor, 4.2 gigahertz, 32 gig of RAM, 64-bit operating system, Windows 11 Home. What we'll do is we'll check for some Windows updates. but we can't connect to the internet, so we better do that first. We'll also look at Device Manager and make sure all the drivers are in. We've got some drivers to download, so we'll let that happen. So Microsoft Edge isn't too bad these days, but what is Edge used for? It's to download Chrome or Firefox or Brave. The other thing that we want to do is download, of course, Fortnite. And we'll also install Steam. And last but not least, shut up. This will stop Windows 11 spying on me. Disable suggestions and start, disable tips and tricks, disable showing suggested content in the settings app, disable the possibility of suggesting to finish the setup of a device, because that's quite annoying. We'll disable app notifications. We'll disable access to local languages. We'll disable storage of the clipboard history. We'll disable app access to user account information, Windows tracking app starts, and disable app access to diagnostic information.
Well, I'm really happy with my new computer from PCCG. As I said, I ordered on the Black Friday sales and purchased it. I got a great saving. It was delivered quickly. The computer was packaged well. There was no troubles. It started right out of the box, as you saw. It was clean, professionally built. The interior looked fantastic. Cable management was great. Thermals were good. They used quality components for everything, which I was really happy about. And performance-wise, this thing flies. Fortnite, Battlefield 6, and Cyberpunk run fantastic, better than I've ever seen it. They all run at max settings. DaVinci Resolve scrubs 4K footage like it's a breeze, so there's no waiting for rendering at all. So overall, PCCG delivered quality, speed and reliability. Definitely recommended them. We'll purchase from them again. Thanks guys.